to this fabulous channel. Welcome back to the City of Sin. If you all are new to the channel, stopping in for the first time, my name is Ryan. I will be your host as always, but today we are here at Shake Shack. We are going to give that a try right outside in New York, New York. I ordered the double shack burger, some fries, and a chocolate shake. So once that's ready, I will show you all that. We'll taste everything, see how it is, and give you my recommendation on it. All right, so I got the food here at Shake Shack. I got, what is this? The double Shake Shack burger. I got fries over here, some ketchup for the fries, and a chocolate shake. So I will give this a try here, and we'll see how everything is. Alright, first we're going to try the chocolate shake. Ooh, that's perfect. Nice and thick, so when you go outside, you should be able to handle the temps just fine. Try some of the fries here. Not bad, very crispy texture. I like it. Wish there was a little bit more salt on them, but other than that, fries seem to be pretty decent. Now to try my Shake Shack burger. Yeah, that's really good. Really, really good. Kind of reminds me of In-N-Out. Oh, that's really, really good. I think I'll definitely be stopping here again. So, to whoever recommended this to me, thank you. I seem to be enjoying everything that there is, so I'll finish this up and let you know at the end how everything was. Alright, so I just got done with everything at the Shake Shack. I would have to say it's absolutely delicious. Probably one of the best burgers, best fries that I've had in a minute. The milkshake is nice and thick, so when I go outside this should be able to last quite a bit. Nice and hot outside today, so this ice cold milkshake will taste absolutely delicious. I would highly recommend coming to the Shake Shack. Thank you to my subscriber who mentioned that they wanted to see this place and get this place filmed, so I decided that I would test it out. Never tried Shake Shack before in my life, so this is an honest opinion of what everything was. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to like it, subscribe if you haven't already done so, share this with your friends and family. But my name is Ryan here with 4K Vegas. Until next time.